Company.
Good morning. I'm Audrey Castellano. It's 8:55, and here's your morning rush. A San Antonio man winds up getting shot while his friend claims they were just playing with a semi-automatic rifle. Police found the man outside an apartment building on Sahara. Police tell us the group was playing around with an AR-15 around 1 this morning when somehow the gun went off, hitting one of the men in the stomach. Right after the gun went off, officials say the man who allegedly owns the gun took off. Police are still looking for him. This morning, the man who was shot was taken to the hospital with non-life-threatening injuries. A Northwest Side community is worried a huge sinkhole will get even bigger. People who live at the Fountainhead Apartments first noticed the problem Friday night. Residents have not heard back from the complex managers, who haven't returned any calls during the holiday weekend. San Antonio Public Works says since the problem is on private property, it's a private problem. San Antonio voters have 1 day left to vote early in the city council runoff elections. Polls are open from 8 a.m. till 8 p.m. today. The runoff is for city council districts 1, 2, 3, 5, and 9. Election day is Saturday. And fitting rooms returned to Target today. The retailer closed their fitting rooms more than a year ago because of the pandemic. Target says it'll continue to have team members really dedicated to keeping those fitting rooms clean. We are super excited about that, Andrew. It feels like things are getting back to normal.
Yeah, it really does start to feel a lot more back to normal now, Audrey, and let's hope that things